got it. Got a wheelie bar in the back. Wow, those tires, nice. Okay. Nice bumper. Let's go ahead and take the shell off. Let's not waste any time. This is a kit. You know me, I like projects to build. No electronics, no servo, nothing. Just came with lights though, so that's pretty cool. Just gotta hook them up. Aluminum shock towers, front and rear. Big bore shocks, adjustable, front and rear. Chassis brace, center. This has a slipper clutch, adjustable turnbuckles. Upper A-arms look pretty beefy. Nice firm bumper. It's got the wing, like I was saying, and the two-wheel wheelie bar. I think it's got bearings in it also. Yeah, we got another aluminum chassis brace, little plate. It's definitely gonna help with the stability. I like that kind of a bronze finish they put on it. It's real nice. The A-arms look interchangeable too, so that'd be cool. Save some money on parts. I like the battery strap system. Tires feel nice. Servo saver, okay. It's good so far. So I'm looking to, this is a 4S truck. Well, it's gonna be, if it's ready to run, it'll be 4S capable. So that's what mine's gonna be when I build it. So stay tuned for that. I'm liking the movement on these shocks. Nice, nice. So it's gonna be a good jumper. It's a stunt truggy. Definitely. So gonna be 70 miles per hour on 4S. I'll be happy with that. 50, 60 on 3S. That's the plan. Just a little quick look at the body. Excuse me, the body. Nice little truggy body. Okay. Alright. Like I said, it has working lights front and rear. Just gotta hook them up. Liking these tires though. I keep saying that, but I do. 17mm hex. Alright. Stay tuned for this build, guys. It's another kit on deck to add to the 4S stable. Appreciate you watching.